today discuss how to use symbol to represent elements. So far 118 elements are discovered, 19 element natural and 28 element artificial. Okay, the short form or abbreviation used to denote the name of element known as chemical symbol. That is, this chemical symbol followed by I, U, P, A, C. That is International Union of Pure Applied and Chemistry. The symbol used follow the three types rule. That is, the first rule, element name, the first letter. Usually the capital letter used for the symbol. For example, hydrogen. Use the symbol H. Okay. Again, oxygen. Symbol, the first letter capital O. Okay. Carbon, the first letter C. Okay. The second rule, some element, first letter same. Example for calcium, cobalt, cadmium, carbon, C. First letter carbon, but C used for the symbol C, but calcium Ca, cobalt Co, cadmium Cd. Okay. First letter capital, second letter small letter, that is use the two letter, symbolized by the two letter. Okay. First letter capital, second letter small letter. Okay. Third rule, some element use the symbol from Latin name. Example for potassium. K. Kalium, but not used for P. Okay, P denoted by the symbol phosphorus. Okay, that is not. That is the Latin name Kalium. Okay, and others, the some element show the skin by the symbol. Okay. So far, about 118 elements have been discovered. 90 elements discovered by naturally and 28 elements have been discovered artificially. The short forms or abbreviation used to denote the names of elements are known as chemical symbols. Chemical symbol followed by the IUPAC name, that is International Union of pure and applied chemistry. At first, the first letter of the element, usually the capital, is used as the symbol. For example, C for carbon. Secondly, two or more elements have their name starting the same letter, then use the two letter. Example for cadmium Cd. Okay, cobalt CO, platinum PT. Third point, some few elements symbol are taken from their Latin name. For example, potassium is Kalium, for use the symbol K. Now discuss some element and their symbol. Hydrogen symbol H, helium He, lithium Li, beryllium Be, boron B, carbon C, nitrogen N, oxygen O, fluorine F, neon Na, sodium Na, magnesium Mg, aluminum Al, silicon Si, phosphorus P, sulfur S, chlorine Cl, argon Ar, potassium K, calcium Ca. And some element with their Latin names and symbol. Sodium, Latin name natrium, symbol Na. Potassium, Latin name kalium, symbol K. Gold, Latin name aluminum, symbol Au. Silver, Latin name argentinum, symbol Ag. Latin name of iron, that is the element name iron, Latin name ferrum, symbol Fe. Thank you my dear viewers, thank you students. Okay.